Hello everyone, thank you for being here today. My name is Margaret Vinchelette, and I'm the main leader for Crimson AI Consulting Group. Today, our team, Sylvia Worley, Will Walker, Callan Vanderpool, and myself will be presenting our analysis of AI strategy and organizational impact on Amazon. We looked at Amazon's current use of AI, how AI is changing their workplace, how this compares to small businesses, and what Amazon should focus on over the next 5 years. Let's begin with a quick introduction to our team. Our group brings a mix of different strengths. I'm the main leader and coordinated our overall project direction. Our senior AI consultant, Sylvia Worley, focused on Amazon's technical tools and AI capabilities. Our senior HR consultant, Will Walker, analyzed workforce changes and organizational impacts. And our junior AI analyst, Callan Vanderpool, supported research, analytics, and benchmarking. Together, we combined technology, HR, strategy to develop a clear set of recommendations. For our executive summary, here is the overview of what we will cover today. First, how Amazon uses AI today across different areas of their company. Second, how AI is changing work inside Amazon, including productivity, communication, teamwork, and structure. Third, key differences for smaller businesses compared to Amazon's scale. And finally, our recommendations for how Amazon should engage with AI over the next 5 years. Next, we'll be talking about Amazon.
About Amazon. Amazon is one of the most influential companies on the Fortune 500 list, and it consistently ranks near the top due to its massive scale and global presence. Today, Amazon generates over $575 billion in annual revenue, making it not only a leader in retail, but one of the highest earning companies in the world. The company also employs over 1.5 million people worldwide, which highlights just how large and complex its daily operations are and can be. Amazon is deeply involved in a wide range of markets. While most people know Amazon for its online retail platform, the company is also a major player in logistics, cloud computing through Amazon Web Services, entertainment and streaming, smart home devices, artificial intelligence, and overall technology development. This makes Amazon a very unique company because it competes in multiple industries at the same time. Its main competitors vary depending on the market. In retail, Amazon competes with Walmart and Target, while in the technology and cloud computing space, the biggest competitors are Google and Microsoft. Despite this competitive landscape, Amazon continues to grow by investing in innovation, automation, and machine learning to stay ahead. Industry overview. Across the nation, especially in the retail and technology sectors, businesses have been heavily relying on artificial intelligence. Companies are increasingly using robots, automation tools, advanced data analytics, and machine learning systems to improve efficiency and keep up with customer expectations. AI has started to reshape everyday business operations. For example, in retail, AI helps with inventory forecasting, checkout-free shopping, and personalized product recommendations. In the tech industry, AI systems are used to manage data, improve cybersecurity, and support software development. These changes have allowed businesses to operate faster and more accurately than ever before. However, this rapid adoption of AI also brings significant challenges. One of the biggest concerns involves privacy laws and data protection, especially as companies collect more customer information. There are also questions about how data is stored, who has access to it, and how it should be regulated. Even with these challenges, the opportunities created by AI are substantial. AI can result in faster customer service, more accurate decision-making, lower operational costs, and increased innovation across many industries. As AI continues to develop, businesses that adapt quickly will most likely have a major competitive advantage. AI in corporate America. In corporate America, large companies are moving quickly to adopt AI. Many organizations have already integrated AI into part of their business operations, while others are still experimenting or running pilot programs to test how AI can improve their performance. Only a small number of companies have been able to fully integrate AI across their entire organization so far, but the trend is growing each year. There are several challenges that companies face when adopting AI. The first is extremely high upfront costs, since developing or purchasing AI technology can be very expensive. Another challenge is training employees to use new systems effectively. As AI becomes more common, workers need new skills, which means companies must invest heavily in education and support. There is also a widespread concern about potential job displacement, which makes some employees hesitant about AI adoption. Despite these obstacles, the benefits of AI in corporate settings are very significant. AI can automate repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more meaningful work. It also helps companies save time and money, and it increases the speed and accuracy of business decisions. In addition, AI pushes companies to be more innovative and competitive, especially in markets where technology evolves quickly.
While there are many companies that use AI, the one I'd like to talk about is Amazon. First, Amazon uses generative AI through a tool called Amazon Q, which helps employees write, summarize, and find information faster. Their AI creates product listings automatically, generating titles, descriptions just from a few key search words or images. Next, in Amazon's warehouses, Amazon uses robots powered by AI to move items, pick up products, and plan the fastest routes for packaging. This helps speed up deliveries and reduces mistakes. AI also powers Alexa, which understands voice commands and helps with smart homes. Behind the scenes, Amazon uses smaller AI tools to recommend products, set prices, and manage inventory. Finally, the Amazon Go stores use cameras and sensors to track what you grab and change out of your account automatically. So you can't just walk out without something. Overall, AI helps Amazon run faster, smarter, and gives customers a smoother experience. When it comes to how AI changes Amazon's workplace, there are a few key bullet points I would like to touch on. First, AI boosts productivity by making work faster and reducing mistakes. It can handle repetitive tasks so employees can focus on larger and bigger projects. Next, in communication, AI tools can help write messages, translate languages, and make collaborating easier across different countries. In terms of teamwork, groups can share AI tools to plan projects, schedule meetings, and organize goals more efficiently. In terms of culture, AI encourages innovation by giving employees new ways to solve problems and think creatively. In terms of HR, AI helps screen applications, schedule interviews, and even train new employees through simulations and chat-based training tools. And finally, when it comes to structure, companies are creating more tech-focused teams to manage and develop these AI systems. Finally, I'll be talking about how smaller companies use AI a little bit differently than big companies like Amazon. Because they usually have smaller budgets and less data, they can't afford huge, complex AI systems. Instead, they use simple tools like chatbots to answer customer questions and automate to do and complete small tasks. AI can definitely help employees by saving time and improving efficiency, but it's not meant to replace people. Most smaller businesses still rely heavily on their staff for decision-making and creativity. And since there is less major change, AI adoption in these companies tends to cause less disruption. It's more about helping out with everyday work instead of transforming the whole business. Next, you will be hearing from our junior AI analyst, Callan.
Yes, absolutely. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and mention, I am Callan Vanderpool. I'm going to be talking about how Amazon should integrate AI in the next 5 years and how you can do that. I think the first thing Amazon can do and we recommend is to use AI in delivery and warehouse work. AI can be used to create new routes, make routing easy. There's even ways to build it into packaging products. I've seen some companies like Apple integrate it, and it's been working awesome for them. I think another thing you really need to do is to train your employees to work with the new and advanced AI tools. A lot of employees are going to be worried about losing their jobs, and they're all going to be very, uptight and a little nervous about how this new AI systems are going to come into place. And I think that definitely interacting with them, teaching them making sure they're getting the training they're needed so that they know how to use the AI effectively and to their benefit, instead of just making them think that the AI is going to take their job. Another thing that goes along with that, over the next couple years, is to make sure that the employees know that there is a clear set of rules for the AI. It is not just a free-for-all. AI, it can be sometimes harmful if you use it in harmful ways, but there should be a clear set of rules, and you should establish it as a company, how you want AI to be used, and make sure to communicate that very across to your members and you should be able to communicate that across to your employees. I think that another thing going along with all of this, tying into the employee aspect, integrating AI and over the next 5 years, is to make sure that you have more human work than the AI work, and to bring AI in slowly. You don't want to just slam the AI in your corporate's face and into your employee's face. Everyone's going to be a little, wow, like AI should not be taking all of our jobs. Like I was saying, I think doing this will make sure they know that they still have part, and AI is there to help them. There are, though, however, some risks that we do have to account for, but with good news, there are solutions to these risks. A lot of people have to say that AI can be biased and corrupt, and unfortunately in today's world, AI is a very brand new thing, and it can be biased and corrupt. The software can malfunction, AI can be doing and saying some weird things. AI as a software learns what it's been told, so sometimes AI can be biased. There's a solution though. You guys, as a company, Amazon, should be checking the systems regularly, making sure that the AI is not becoming biased or corrupt, and making sure to reset these systems frequently. There also can be some risks such as data and safety concerns. This happens a lot. People have been concerned about this ever since AI has came out into this new world, and that is why a lot of companies are nervous about using it. But the companies that have gone past it have been able to make it and are our top competitors now with Amazon. So a solution we have for that is to, along with making sure that the AI is not turning biased and corrupt, is to strengthen your security, making sure that the AI isn't outsourcing other resources and bringing it into their tool. That is definitely a main concern, and a lot of people are concerned about breaches and everything, but as long as you have a strong security system, this should not be a problem. Scrolling down, job worrying. A lot of people are worried about their employees wearing that. Scrolling down, there are employees that are worried about losing their jobs to AI. We want to remind them that the AI is there to help them out, not to take their job. The AI is going to help them out majorly in their roles that they will have in Amazon. And the solution when they are nervous is to explain the changes clearly. Like I was saying, that the AI is not there to steal their job from them. It is there to help them strengthen Amazon as a whole and push Amazon to be a top competitor. Another thing is there is a risk that there's too much automation, making sure that we do keep human oversight. A lot of employees are also worried about the AI having the upper say and everything. We want to make sure that we do, that Amazon keeps the human oversight and make sure that the humans always have the upper hand when it comes to decision making and anything else that is questionable. With that being said, our conclusion with this is that AI With that being said, our conclusion with this is that AI helps to keep Amazon competitive. So many top other corporates and businesses that are competitors to Amazon have started to develop and integrate AI into their companies. And they are gradually moving up, and we are seeing them progress with AI. So making sure that Amazon also integrates AI will keep them as a top competitor. AI is going to push far more opportunities in retail. With AI, there are endless opportunities, and without AI, there wouldn't be those. So we want to make sure that we integrate AI. Lastly, success in today's world comes with combining AI and people. We are not here. We want to make sure you, as Amazon, make sure to tell your employees that we are not here to take the jobs, or AI is not here to take the jobs from them. It is there to help them, and that with AI and them together, Amazon as a whole will become a top competitor and maybe the top. We have left the sources down below, and we hope you can hear us out, and thank you so much for hearing us out. We have left the sources down below, and we appreciate y'all, Amazon, for hearing us out, and we hope y'all take into consideration what we said. If you have any questions, you can stay and talk to any of us after the meeting. If not, y'all are free to go.